Here, I'm promoting for my website URL using my Facebook ads campaign. So first of all, any profile creation is too important. One is called you fill up your about information, like your add your email address, website URL, everything will be add on your Facebook page account. Once add your about information, go to your Facebook page option. In a Facebook page, right corner, Facebook page, right corner, they can show option call is promote your website. Promote your website. Just click your website, create your ad, create your ad, first your website URL, select your image here. I'm ready for adding my image. This ad will be showing for total will be in this categories: desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed, mobile marketing place, message inbox, Instagram stories, Instagram feed. Everything will be showing will be like this. Instagram stories, message inbox. They receive by message by option in this headline. Hyderabad. So it will showing only for 20 characters. Services. And the greatest Hyderabad. Add your website. So numbers are very important. Add here. After that, can give the button option. This ad how to show the people for can watch purpose. Just go to your Facebook profile. The ad will be showing for Facebook profile timelines. Here two advantages. One is website traffic. Second will be page likes. This campaign will using for two option purpose. One is called page likes. How to pay getting page likes? Come into your Facebook business page, like your page. Next will be sign up. Here we can go option call is apply now, book now, contact us, download, learn more, request time, see menu, shop now, sign up. And click for contact us. Why? I'm give the services. I'm not providing any video. Video is called learn more. So I can give for contact us. When I click this one, they come into my website. I come into website. The target audience will be selected by here. The audience will be selected by total 4 steps. Gender wise, age wise, location wise, and interest target. So any age will target up to 55. Location will be, my total target will be only for Hyderabad. Select it. Now, up to 50 miles radius. After that, go to here. Indian designers. Only for interested. The audience will be too specific. So what showing for? Arrow will be down. Means that will be not proper ways. So search here down. Now arrow will be showing for perfect. So you can set by exact user interior perfect. So if you're selecting for wrong audience, wrong locations, the arrow will be getting down. That is called any ad will be specific on your arrow will be mentioned. Arrow will be down or up, the ad will be not approved and not running for properly. And what are the image you're adding for your campaign purpose? The image will be most important will be less than 20% test content. So you can add your budget only for 100. Duration will be minimum 4 days. The website clicks purpose, we focus by the daily 40 rupees. Then add up to March 17th. So you can check my target. Audience will be here of the my budget. After click for promote. If you're adding for any GST, I don't have a GST number. Click for no. Select your state. Click for continue. Once click for continue, the ad will be confirmed within a 1 hour time. We'll check option call is facebook.com/manage. Any kind of ads will approve or disapprove. We'll check for facebook.com/manage. Any ad will be created by your page or you can dashboard. The ad will be checked for in this facebook.com/manage. Click for ad manager. So this is called we can create for website traffic using Facebook page. That is called only focus by your website traffic, the increase your website traffic and generating for leads based on the phone number, based on the content, increase your page likes and website traffic. See this in review. If you are active, the showing for active will be here. So this is called you can create ads on your Facebook ads campaign using Facebook business page and Facebook manage your account.